Take a ride in the 2017 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, front wheel drive, cruise control, USB connection, electronic stability control, power door locks, fog lamps, power windows, leather, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, alarm, rear spoiler, tire pressure monitoring system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.